All right, so here we have a brand new Acura RDX. As you can see, I've already done the decontamination wash. Now I'm going over the paint and I'm putting yellow tape to show where all the factory defects are. As you can see, there's scratches in this vehicle. Here, right there. See that right there? And there. Now guys, these scratches are actually right out of the factory. You know, most dealerships will try to do a little quick polishing job just to shine her up a little bit before they get her out on the lot. But they just don't have the markup that they used to be able to really chase things like this out before they put something up for sale. So this is super common right out of the factory. You can see that those defects right there. All up in here. Right along this edge here. Moving on to the back of the roof. All up in here. And there was a big mark I saw somewhere in here. Let's see. Well, there's that one, but there's another one. Right there. See that? Right underneath there? Right there. Right. Focus. Right there. See that? How it goes straight across there? All right. Onto the tailgate. Right in here. Right down there. And of course, even though I went over it and put this tape down, I usually end up finding more as I physically go through the process of doing the vehicle. Right down there. Moving along now to the passenger rear door. All throughout that door. And this piece of tape right here, this actually was not a factory defect. That's just from the customer opening and closing the door with his hand. That happens all the time. But we're going to take care of that too. And there's some swirling up here in these piano black pillars. That's pretty common. You would think a brand new vehicle you spend thousands of dollars for would be absolutely perfect with nothing to hide, but that is rarely the case. Right in there. See it? Right there. Down here. All right, now we're on the driver's side of the hood. Driver's side roof, it has the same issues as the other side right along that edge there. Right there. All through here. And right up in there. And there. See, those are what we call buffer trails right there. You see that kind of kind of a buffer looking mark effect. That's what we call a buffer trail, or a hologram would be another word for it. Swirling up in there. And again, right by where he opens and closes the doors, that was caused by the customer. Unknowingly, of course. Alright, let's do a little bit of video of polishing it. Alright, so right here I'm using a 1-inch polisher with a medium cutting pad, cutting out the edges there. And after I got all those major defects from the factory out using multiple machines, I decided to shine up this grill too using the cone polisher. And there's a picture of the vehicle on the lift during the process after I used some of the bigger machines. Here's the afters of the vehicle post-coating application. The vehicle now has a 9-year professional grade ceramic coating on it. What that means is that it will not need any wax or sealants for the next 9 years. Also provides wash marring resistance and some absolutely beautiful gloss. And of course, if you'd like yours done or have any questions, give me a call. Phone number is 920-450-2085.